Hello there. When changing the cutting strip on a VersaSTUDIO BN20, first of all, if you reach around to the back of the machine and turn off the main switch, and also remove the media load bar from the back of the machine. Switching off the machine will stop beeping during the process, and removing the bar will allow for free movement of the media clamps. If you also remove the left-hand cover and open the front cover, this will allow for easier access whilst changing the strip. In order to remove the old cutting strip, first of all, move the left-hand media clamp towards the middle of the machine. Then you will be able to pick up the left edge of the cutting strip, as shown here. If you then peel the strip up to where the media clamp is located near the middle of the machine, you can then cut away the section that you've peeled up and stick back down the edge of the strip. This will allow you to move the left-hand media clamp back over towards the left-hand side of the machine. Then you can pick at the strip, lift it back up, and peel away the rest of it towards the right-hand media clamp. In order to take off the last bit, just lift up the media clamp gently, not pulling too hard, just lifting it enough so that we can pull away the rest of the strip. At this stage, you may wish to clean the surface underneath where the old strip was. To insert the new strip, first of all, pull away a small section and cut away the backing paper. We'll then stick down this section first on the right hand side of the machine underneath the media clamp. In order to do this, again, just lift up the media clamp slightly, just enough to fit the cutting strip underneath. We'll then slide the sticky section underneath the media clamp and secure in place by pushing down on top of the media strip. Once the cutting strip is securely in place, leaving about a 5mm gap as shown in this picture before the end of the platen, we can then peel off up to about 2/3 along the strip of the backing paper and cut away the backing paper again. We'll then secure this part of the cutting strip into position by pushing down, making sure that it sits smoothly within the groove along the platen. Next, if you take the part that still has the backing paper on and slide it underneath the left-hand media clamp, we can then move the media clamp again towards the middle of the machine, remove the last piece of backing paper and stick down the end of the cutting strip into the groove. Push down firmly along the whole strip to ensure that it's stuck down correctly, and then we can move the media clamps back into position. In order to finish the process, simply put the media load bar back on, switch on the mains power at the back, close the front cover and close the left-hand cover of the machine. Your machine will then be ready to use with your new cutting strip. Thank you.